friends, welcome to our channel. It's me, Masima. I'm here again to show you how you can buy good quality cosmetics and makeup without spending a lot of money on your budget. For today, I have a very big surprise for you because I found a very amazing brush set from Flying Tiger just for 10 euros. I'm sure you're going to be surprised when you're going to see it. It's this one. You see how much it's amazing. It's just 6 pieces and it means I already paid less than 2 euros for each piece. It has a bamboo patch and 5 bamboo brushes, and the brushes choose in fact very well because it's a big brush for powder, it's a cheek brush, it's a foundation brush, it's a blending brush, and this one is a small shadow brush, or you can use it for anything that you want. I'm so amazed with that because I'm so happy that Tiger is starting to produce something very eco-friendly because they are bamboo and 100% it's all that's recycled. So it's a very good news in my opinion, and you can see it's on budget, it's beautiful, and it's on quality. I'm going to unbox it with you together to try the quality, the softness of the brushes. So let's go. Here we are. So we're gonna see together the quality of these amazing, beautiful brushes. First of all, let's also start with this pouch that is from bamboo and looks amazing for me. And it's so good that you can keep always the brushes inside this pouch without making the brushes injured and bad softness and something like this. And just it's something that I really liked it because it's designed for this brush set and I can use it and fits very well on it. So you can see also the quality is 100% recycled bamboo. It's the canopy, and I really like this material because it makes me feel something from nature and I like it personally. Okay, let's go to the first brush. This is the biggest brush that is for powder and blending the contour of the face, and you can use it for anything that you normally use. You need a big brush for it. This is so soft and amazing, the quality. You can see the stainer is a bamboo again. Here you have a metal, and I think it's a type of the synthetic hair, but anyway, it's even softer than a natural one for animals that we don't like to use them. It's so soft and fluffy, well brushed, and really good quality. Okay, we go to the second brush. You can see it has an ankle, so it's suitable for a blush brush or contouring for cheeks. And also this one has a very soft hairs. It's the good quality. It's fluffy. It's not so thin, and in my opinion, is one of the best brushes that I ever seen in synthetics. And even this brush set, if you want to take it from Sephora, maybe costs about 30 euros or something. And we go for a third one. Okay, as you see, it's the type of the flat brush that is so oily and thin. It's not fluffy, so normally these brushes can be used for foundation, wet foundations. But honestly guys, I don't like them to use for foundation. For foundation I'm using the sponges and blenders. So normally I use, if I buy it in a set like this, I use them for mask, for putting the face mask or something like this. And but anyway, there is a lots of people, lots of women, they're interested to use these brushes for foundation. And this is a very good high quality too. It's oily and well brushed. You can see it's a very good stainer in here, the bamboo again, and I really like it. Okay, we go for the fourth brush. In here you can see it's the eyeshadow brush and type of the blender, and I really love them because I'm always looking for sets that is going to be more economic, because if you want to buy them single, it costs a lot. So a set that one has the blender you can't find easily. Maybe mostly they are just brushes for face set, or all of the brushes for eyes that maybe we already have some of them and we don't use them. But anyway, this is so amazing. I really was satisfied about that it was a very good useful brushes for face, and then a good brush for blending. I use them a lot, honestly. This is a fluffy, a small brush that you can blend your eyeshadow easily, because you know, if you don't use the blender after putting your eyeshadow, it has too much lines, it doesn't look natural, and something like a clown makeup. So I really recommend you to always use them after putting your eyeshadow, because the blending is really the most important part. Okay, and the last brush. You can see, guys, again, this is a type of the flat oily brush like that one for the foundation. Personally, I think it can be used for lips, also for type of the wet eyeshadows, creamy eyeshadows. Personally, because I'm not using creamy eyeshadows, maybe I'm going to use it as a lipstick brush. And I really recommend that one too, because you can see the difference if you use the brush for a lipstick. You can control it very well, the lines, and it looks more beautiful, the end look, and even you can make the liners, you can make the contouring on your lips, you can put a little bit of highlighter, and it's something really good. But anyway, all of them is a brushes that I'm using it. I'm really satisfied about it, because normally when I'm taking a brush set, it's 1 or 2 brushes that I never use it, and it just stays in the box or in my glass forever. Now let's then put in this bamboo pouch that they designed for it. I'm really impressed with the bamboo pouch, because usually just that one costs about 6-7 euros, even in Kiko, that is not a very expensive brand. And I'm really impressed and amazed that why Tiger had this good price and all of the sets. I can say it was a limited edition for Christmas, but anyway, it was a very fair price, because just that one, the bamboo one, could be about 5-6 euros, and it has a very good quality. It's washable and it's eco-friendly because it's recycled from the canal. And let's put it together. The first one, this is the biggest brush, comes in here. The second one, okay, you can see this amazing set. I really liked it. You can bring it to the travel so easily, because it has this beautiful pouch, and something that is really good, and I like it because mostly my brushes are full of the cream colors, maybe lipstick, maybe eyeshadow. When I put them all together in a makeup pouch, all of my makeup pouch and all of my other brushes, they taking the colors and the spots of the black, red, and this one is a good way to protect them and to make them divided, to not make dirty everywhere, and really like it. Okay guys, so now let's try them a little bit on my face to see the quality in the powder and to be sure they're working good. Let's go together. Okay, I put a little bit of my contour powder. Let's try it together. Oh, it's really good. You can see it just sprays the pigments. It's really nice and it blends it well. I'm really amazed. Because they are synthetic, the first of all that I used to buy the synthetic brushes, I didn't trust them, that maybe they don't work well, but it's not true. And we can stop to use the animal hairs and use the synthetic one. They are really looking good and they work amazing. They are so soft. even softer than a natural one. So let's also put a little of the blush for my cheek. Oh yes, you can see that I made a rosy cheek. You can see the difference. I love the rosy cheeks. Maybe it looks like a little bit classic or old, but I really like it. And let's also try to blend it with the big brush. You can see as you use it more, it blends more and it looks more natural. If it doesn't like that, people see that you have a big heavy contour, you can always use them to blend them all. And it's so soft and natural. I'm using it a little bit on jawlines too. And then to blend it, you can't imagine how much it's soft and lovely. It's like the angels kissing your cheeks. It's really like that. It's so soft and lovely. A little bit of my nose. I always used to put it like this. I love Marilyn Monroe round nose, that it looks like a small nose with a little bit of round bronze tip. I really like it. Maybe, I don't know, everyone doesn't, but I really enjoy to have a Marilyn Monroe nose, so I used to do it. Then I'm going to blend it a little bit. The soft, lovely brush. And this is my finished look. My friends, I really recommend you, if you have Flying Tiger, go and browse on it. Tiger is always so satisfying for me. The designs are so cute. Even something that you used to see in your childhood, you can find a lot of designs and stuffs and interior design. The designs are smart. The designers, they used to use less plastic, less gummies, less composite, and more wood, and respect to eco. And all of the things, even you can find there is so cute. For example, also this blob shape juicener, I found it in the Tiger, that I really enjoy to drink my juice in it. I'm a person, really I'm enjoying the interior design. For example, I found this in the discount of Tiger just for €1. The prices are really fair, less than every brand that you imagine. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love you so much. If you like this video and you found it useful, please support me. Go and like our videos and subscribe our channel to see more videos of us. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Kisses!